Good morning, everyone. So, we have already started the second chapter, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, and I have already uploaded two videos regarding the structure of overview of a flower and the structure of anther. So, in the structure of anther, what we have learned is that anther is a bilobed structure, and anther is a tetragonal sided, that means four-sided structure containing microsporangia, and these microsporangia develops into pollen sac. Now today we are going to start with a new topic, microsporogenesis. That means if we divide this word microsporogenesis means formation. So basically microsporogenesis is the formation of microspore. Now what happens in this process? Now we have already said that the sporogenous cells. What are sporogenous cells? If we go to the previous chapter or previous slide, what we have said, that sporogenous cells means when the anther is at a young stage, this anther is comprised of several homogeneous cell. Homogeneous means same composition cell, which together constitute the sporogenous tissue. So now in microsporogenesis, each of the sporogenous cells of the tissue are potentially pollen mother cell PMC, which are capable of forming microspore tetrad or pollen grain. So each of the sporogenous cells of the tissue, the sporogenous tissue, are potentially pollen mother cell PMC, which are capable of forming microspore tetrad or pollen grain. How? Now this PMC undergoes meiotic division. Meiotic means reductional. Meiotic division to form four haploid cells called microspore tetrad or pollen grain. See the diagram. If this one is the microspore or pollen mother cell, or microspore mother cell. Meiosis 1. What will happen? One nucleus getting to two division. Next, meiosis 2. What will happen? This one is microspore dyad, because two are there, so dyad. Now what will happen? Microspore tetrad or pollen grain. Microspore tetrad. So this one is microsporogenesis. Microspore mother cell undergoes meiosis division 1, forming 2 microspore dyad, and from here again meiosis 2 is forming microspore tetrad or pollen grain. Now as the anther matures, now what happens? As the anther matures, what happens? Now this, as the anther matures, the microspore dissociates, the microspore dissociates from tetrad. Dissociate means getting division from tetrad and form pollen grain. Now, the nucleus of the pollen grain, divides mitotically. Here it's mitotically. That means equational division. Mitotically to form one large vegetative cell and one spindle-shaped, spindle means the shape I am showing you, spindle-shaped generative cell. Spindle-shaped means like this. Spindle-shaped. Now if you draw the diagram, it will like this. This one is a microspore. Then it is like this. These are all vacuoles. This one is the nucleus. This one cytoplasm. Then this one is an enlarged microspore. Now this one, these vacuoles are getting together. This one is the nucleus. From there this one is the generative cell. This one vegetative cell. And since it is a, we have already, another thing is that pollen grain is a two-walled structure. Pollen grain is two-walled structure. Just I am giving another point. Pollen grain is two-walled structure. Outer wall is exine, which is very hard, and inner wall intine. Exine and intine. So for today we are just following the formation of microspore or microsporogenesis. In the next video I am going to upload the structure of pollen grain. Till then, just go through this, and if you find any difficulties, do ask me. Thank you.